Lesson 3. Common questions. आपको उर्दू बोलनी आती है would be a question asking if the person knows how to speak Urdu. As discussed earlier, तुम्हें would be used for somebody younger. आपकी उम्र क्या है translates as what is your age. Again, तुम्हारी would be used for somebody younger. Here we branch off onto the male versus female form. आप कहाँ के हैं translates as where are you from. आप कहाँ की हैं would be the female form in the respectful. तुम कहाँ के हो versus तुम कहाँ की हो. Hospital कहाँ है translates as where is the hospital. आपके पास phone है translates as do you have a phone. तुम्हारे would be for a more personal situation. ये कितने का है translates as how much is this, referring to an item, perhaps in a shop. ये red color में है translates as is this available in a red color? The word red can be replaced by another color. थोड़ा discount मिल सकता है translates as may I receive some discount? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं translates as where are you going? This is the respectful form, male version. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो would be the personal male version. आप कहाँ जा रही हैं would be the respectful female version, and तुम कहाँ जा रही हो would be the personal female version.